Now let us see the application of double and triple integral in this video. So always application of double integral is nothing but area and triple integral is nothing but volume. So find the area of ellipse. They have given the ellipse. We have to find the area by using double integration. So always the formula for area is double integral over R dx dy in Cartesian. If it is in polar, it will be r dr d theta. Okay, that we'll do later. So now, since the given question in Cartesian form, that is x and y, we are using this formula format. So now, if you see the area of the ellipse, then your ellipse approximately will look like this. Okay, so now if I have to find the area, means if I find only one part of it, like that, how many parts are there? 4. So I can write it as area is equal to 4 into A1, where A1 is nothing but the shaded blue region. So now I have to fix a limit for this. So now here x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. So this side the value will be a. So always you will measure x from left 0 and it ends with a. So this I am measuring along the axis. And if I measure y along the curve, then it would be the lower region of lower equation. What is the equation of this line, this green line? This is y is equal to 0 because this is the x-axis. This is y is equal to 0. Okay. What is the upper region of this? This is the upper region. So what is the equation? This is equation of the ellipse. X square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. From this I have to find what is y. How will I find y? So y square by b square is equal to 1 minus x square by a square. Again you take LCM. Y square is equal to b square into a square minus x square by a square. I want again y. So y is equal to b by a into root of a square minus x square. So I will write y is equal to b by a into root of a square minus x square. So from left side it starts from 0, the pink region you can see, and it ends with a. So left to right, this is left, this is right. And down region is a green region over here, to the upper region is a green region over there. So this equation is y is equal to 0 and this equation is from that x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. From this we have derived what is y. So you have written this also, and the formula is dy dx. Because I have written y, I will write dy here. So this area is equal to 4 into x is equal to 0 to a. I am going to integrate with respect to y. If you integrate dy, you will get y. The limit is 0 to b by a in root of a square minus x square. That is equal to, upper limit will be there because your lower limit is 0. And then we have still dx is there outside. Okay. So if I simplify this further down, then I will get a is equal to 4 into b by a is also a constant, throw it outside. X varies from 0 to a, root of a square minus x square dx. So for this you can use this, the direct formula. Of course we got this derivation by substitution. You can use the direct formula, x by 2 into root of a square minus x square plus a square by 2 sine inverse of x by a. And what is the limit? X varies from 0 to a. So integral of root of a square minus x square is this thing. So we can use it as a direct formula. Now applying the limits, of course 4b by a is a constant which is waiting outside, and if I put x as a, then a square minus a square, this will become 0. So upper limit will become 0. If I put x as 0, this fellow is here. So because of this, both upper limit and lower limit will become 0 for the first term. Second term, if I put a square by 2 is a common, sine inverse of a by a minus sine inverse of 0. If I substitute x as 0 in the second term. So what is sine inverse of 1? That is equal to 4b by a into a square by 2 into sine inverse of 1 is pi by 2 and sine inverse of 0 is 0. So you will get only pi by 2. This term will become 0. This term, sine inverse of 1 is pi by 2. So this, if I simplify, this 4 and these two will get cancelled. Okay. And then a and this will get cancelled. So your answer is pi a b is the area of the given ellipse. Since it is the area, we will write square units. Now the same thing they can ask, find the area enclosed by the curve r is equal to a into 1 plus cos theta. Between, if they ask in case theta is equal to 0 to theta is equal to pi. I want the area between only theta is equal to 0 and pi. So now what is this curve? This curve is nothing but a cardioid. So how the cardioid will look like? It will look like this. So this is a cardioid. So now if you see here, between theta is equal to 0 and pi. So theta is equal to 0, it will start from here. And then theta is equal to pi will end here. So they are asking about this region. Because they have given between theta is equal to 0 to pi. Or else like the previous problem, if they ask the entire area, we'll multiply 2 into 1 half. But here they have asked for only 1 half. So how we are going to fix the limit? And one more thing, if you don't know to draw the cardioid, you just substitute theta is equal to 0. When theta is equal to 0, r will become a into 1 plus cos 0. So a into 1 plus 1 is equal to 2a. So when theta is equal to 0, what is the value of r? 2a. So you will get some idea how to draw this. So when theta is equal to pi, so r will become a into 1 plus cos pi. Cos pi is minus 1. So r will become 0. When theta is equal to pi, r will become 0. So you will get an idea how to draw the diagram. So once this is done, they have asked for this only 1 half of the area. But I told you what is the formula for polar one? Polar formula r dr d theta. Cartesian is double integral dx dy, but here r dr d theta. So now if you fix the limit, a is equal to, theta varies from 0 to pi because they have given in the question from 0 to pi only they have asked, and r varies from, what is the minimum value of r? 0. And what is the maximum value of r? A into 1 plus cos theta. Because what is the equation of the cardioid? A into 1 plus, so r dr d theta. If I integrate r, then I will get r square by 2 and the limit is 0 to a into 1 plus cos theta, and outside we have 1 d theta. So once we got r square by 2, we will substitute this upper limit, that a into 1 plus cos theta, and after substituting the upper limit, we will get a square by 2 is there outside. 1 plus cos theta the whole square d theta. Now to integrate this, it is not an easy one. So if you expand it also, again you have to use the formula. So we are using the trigonometric formula cos 2 theta is equal to 2 cos square theta minus 1, which implies 2 cos square theta is 1 plus cos 2 theta. So we are using this half angle formula. In the place of, you see here, in the place of 2 theta, we have theta. Correct? So in the place of theta, what we have to write? Theta by 2. So that is why we wrote here 2 cos square theta by 2. I must to write this 2. So this is again here. Okay. So 1 plus cos theta the whole square I have written as 2 cos square theta by 2. So now for further simplification, we are substituting. So this theta by 2, let us substitute this as phi, which implies what is d theta? This 2 goes to this other side, 2 d phi. And we have to fix the limits. When theta is equal to 0, this phi will become 0 because theta by 2 is equal to phi. So phi is 0. And when theta is equal to pi, implies phi is pi by 2. So now your entire question changes to this format. 2 cos square theta by 2, right? So here one more square is there. So cos power 4. Theta by 2 I have replaced it by phi. And what is d theta? 2 d phi. That is also there. And already this 2 is there. So 2 square is there. So 2 square is 4. And denominator 1, 2 is here. So 4 by 2. So you will get 2 here. So 2, a square is just a constant. Integral 0 to pi by 2. Cos power 4 phi. Instead of d theta, what we are writing? 2 into d phi. We have substituted everything. Now here we can use the reduction formula. What is the reduction formula? Integral 0 to pi by 2. Cos power nx dx is equal to, if it is cos power n or sin power n, both the formulas are same. N minus 1 by n into n minus 3 by n minus 2 into n minus 5 by n minus 1, n minus 4, etc. up to k. So what is this k? This k is pi by 2 when n is even, and so this is pi by 2 when n is even. K is pi by 2 when n is even, and k is equal to 1 if n is odd. So now in this problem, the power n is nothing but 4 here, if you see here. So this is 4. So how I am going to use the formula? 2a square is there outside. So 4 minus 1 by 4 into 4 minus 3 by 4 into, now next term, sorry, not 4, n minus 2, 4 minus 2, 2. So here denominator n 4, here 4 minus 2, 2. So now the next term, if you see, the denominator becomes 0. So till it becomes 0 and the numerator negative power will come. So I am stopping with this, and instead of the place of k, I will write pi by 2 since my n is an even function. So without much no problem, we got the answer. So 2 and 2 will get cancelled, and then we have 4 minus 1 is 3, and last we have pi. We have a square, 4 minus 3 is 1, and 3 pi a square, and the denominator we have by 4, and this is square units since we are seeing the area. So this is how you have to calculate the area. Since they have given between 0 to pi, we are solving like this. If they ask the entire area, what we will do? 2 into integral 0 to pi, only 1/2 of it. It's like I'll find this and then multiply by 2. Since they have asked only from 0 to pi, I didn't multiply with 2 in this problem. Thank you.